This is a dumbbell shoulder ladder raise, an essential exercise if you want to build round delts. This exercise may seem pretty straightforward, but it's actually one of the exercises I see messed up most often. First up, once you grab those dumbbells, you want to position those hips slightly backwards and have that chest slightly over those thighs. As you can see right here, I'm not standing completely upright, I have just a slight bend forward at the hip. You're going to want to have those arms to where that hand is coming in front of the side of your torso. You're not pulling out directly out to your sides. As you can see right here, my hands and those dumbbells are actually coming up in front of my body. You'll also see that I have my elbow to where it's coming down where it's at the seam of my shirt. Keep a slight bend at the elbow. You don't want to have those arms completely straight out and locked out with that elbow, and you don't have them too bent. Just a slight bend so where it's not hurting the joint and you're getting those hands slightly in front of that torso. The biggest tip on these is don't try to put the dumbbells up towards the sky. Instead, imagine like you're trying to push those dumbbells out towards the sides. This is going to help you minimize use of the traps, and I promise you, you're going to feel a lot more in the delts. Also imagine like you're trying to push those dumbbells to the corners of the room. And as you're going down, still imagine like you're trying to push those dumbbells out to the side. Also, you'll notice that I'm not letting my elbow drop as I'm coming down. To help with this, imagine like you were trying to pour a glass of water and trying to lift with the pinky. Try to get a slight pause at the top and at least a 3-second eccentric on that way down. Don't let those dumbbells touch your thighs and avoid swaying on that way back up. Avoid shrugging up those shoulders as you're going up and keep those abs tight. Let's grow those shoulders, and you know what to do, like and subscribe please.